Welcome to the Outex Brand Award within the Luca Memorial Contest 2021. The Luca Memorial Photo Contest was born in 2018 to remember Luca Chiarabini, an immeasurable fan of caving and canyoning, member of the San Bernardino Cave Rescue Team and the biggest contributor to Rope Wiki. It's today the one and only annual international photo contest dedicated exclusively to Luca's greatest passions, caving and canyoning. Aiming to encourage and prize the sharing of these passions by enthusiasts like Luca from all over the world. At the Brand Awards, Luca Memorial has invited world-renowned brands, relevant to the caving and canyoning community, to choose a photo of the year with their own teams and criteria. To be awarded with some of the most desired products of each brand. Outex makes professional outdoor and waterproof housings for cameras and lenses. With a unique patented product designed to universally fit all brands and models, maintains all functional control, optical glass ports, in a compact and lightweight size.
Outex congratulates all participants. The quality and scope of the photos is tremendous, and it was very difficult to narrow it down, let alone select a preference. Outex teams in Europe and US are impressed and torn. Given the pandemic and our geographical locations, team members were able after some iterations to narrow down the selection to a consensual choice. We now proceed to announce the images that the Outex jury has chosen as the 3 best. Number 3, Honorable Mention. Congratulations! Captures much of the essence of canyoning, not to mention the complexities of photographing it in the process. Masterfully negotiating the elements while maintaining depth of field, the backlight, and giving a unique perspective on the thrills and challenges of the sport. Number 2, Honorable Mention. Congratulations! Amazing juxtaposition of elements coming together. Water, rock, gravity seemed like a great metaphor for the sport of canyoning. The framing and composition help create the magical illusion of walking on the rainbow, while capturing the backdrop against which the feat seems even more amazing. Number 1, Outex Winner Photo. Congratulations! Between a rock and a hard place. An image that elicited much emotional reactions from our staff. This image seemed to capture so many attributes of canyoning: adventure, skill, knowledge, perseverance, teamwork, humanity, and beauty. While there are elements of photographic integrity that depict framing, composition, depth of field, shutter speed, and focus, the image ultimately illustrates humanity against the beauty, thrills, and challenges of nature at a particular point in time that's metaphorical to what photography means in all of our lives. The prize for the winner consists nothing more and nothing less to one of Outex's most popular products, the Pro Kit. Valued at $435. It's an underwater camera housing for professional photographers. The Outex Pro Kit works with all mirrorless, DSLR cameras, and more. Lightweight, strong, and durable. It easily fits in gear bags, and its waterproofs up to 10 meters. You are going to love it, Xavier, and we look forward to seeing more photos of you where water is in full swing.
Thank you Outex and Outex team for your valuable cooperation and help to Luca Memorial. Congratulations to everyone. The 2022 Photo Contest edition starts February 1st. We invite all caving and canyoning fans worldwide. Join us, participation is free, you can easily send Instagram and Facebook photos, and you can opt to win amazing prizes and recognitions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video, follow us on Instagram and Facebook for updates. And stay tuned for the Brand Award winners to be announced later today.